Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Helen and today we are going to be taking a look at a few items from E.L.F's latest makeup release, Retro Paradise. I am very excited to take a look at some of these new items. I do already have my base face products applied since they are not E.L.F, and then everything that I show you guys I'll go ahead and either swatch or apply to complete my look for today. The Retro Paradise collection was released for sale on Monday, June 15th for their Beauty Squad members, and then it was released to the general public for sale on June 16th. I did make my purchase on Monday and I received it by Friday the 19th, so not too bad. That was a pretty quick turnaround in my opinion. I did purchase 6 of the items that they have. There were many more, but I picked the 6 that I felt I would get the most use out of and appeal to me the most, so I'm really excited to take a look at those. I'm going to read a little bit more information before I jump into the products that tells us a little bit more about this Retro Paradise collection. So it says, the Retro Paradise collection was designed by a team of beauty influencers inspired by the vibrancy of the Bahamas with sunset-like hues and a tropical fruit scent. This collection takes you to paradise wherever you are. So the beauty influencers that were involved in creating this collection were Alyssa Janae, Diana from Easy Neon, Alicia from Alicia Loves Makeup, Jessa from Jessanista, and last but not least, Valeria from Valaloran. I apologize in advance if I have mispronounced any of these beauty influencers' names. I'm not too familiar with them, but they are the ones that were behind creating this collection with E.L.F. Back to showing you guys the products that I purchased. So first up, we have the E.L.F. Multidimensional Face and Body Shimmer. This is in the shade Soul. And this is just a super pretty pinky, champagne-y type of highlight. I really like the way the packaging looks with that retro roller skate rink text that they used. And here is the highlight. And it does have like a nice light tropical scent to it. I can't pinpoint exactly which fruit it smells like, but it smells really nice. And there it is on the hand. So very pretty. I am definitely intrigued by this one, and I can't wait to see what it looks like applied. The next item to show you guys is the Retro Paradise Line and Shine Lip Kit, and that is this guy here. So it comes with 4 lip liners and a lip gloss. So here are what the lip liners look like. There are 2 lighter nudes and then kind of a chocolatey brown and then like a really pretty fuchsia pink. And then a really pretty, kind of like a clear gloss with glitter in the shade A Moment. And again, it has that really nice light tropical scent. And this is really pretty. It actually matches almost exactly the highlight. I don't think it's going to come up across on screen for you guys. The lip liners are super buttery and smooth, so I think it'll apply really nicely. And there's those 4 colors. I really like this like magenta, and then there's like a nude right next to it. Those 2 are probably what I'm more likely to try on, so those will be fun to test out. The next item I purchased was the Dream On lip gloss in Strawberry Daiquiri. This one is more of a pink lip gloss. That is this guy here. You can see it's definitely more pink than the other gloss I purchased, but either gloss is gonna look really nice with those lip liners. Okay, we got 2 more items and they are eye items. So first off, the one that I'm super excited for is the E.L.F. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette. These colors are so beautiful, and there's like a really nice range. There's like sunset colors, there's bright and vibrant summery shades, there are some really nice mattes and some really nice shimmers. Let's see, let's open it up so I can show you guys a close-up. I really like E.L.F. products. They are so reasonably priced. I actually don't think I haven't like used enough of E.L.F. products. Oh, so pretty. Here are the colors. And right off the bat, there's this one, Paraíso. It has like a pink tone, but then like a green shimmer. It's like a dual chrome. So you can see that dual chrome pink and green shimmer. I will most likely be using that in whatever look I create today. And the last item that I purchased out of the E.L.F. Retro Paradise collection is the E.L.F. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Flirty Birdie. I am a big fan of liquid eyeshadows. I don't have enough of them or use them enough, but they are really great to use when you're in a hurry, or you just kind of want to add a different pop of color or add some more dimension to your eye look. So I am excited to check this one out. Alright, here it is out of the packaging, and it stays true to that super cute retro text. And we'll do a quick little swatch of this. Oh wow, this is so pretty. The other side of my hand. I think you guys will see this better on this side. Ooh, the glitter fleck is so nice. I'm not usually a huge glitter fan, but this is going to be stunning. I can't wait. I will definitely be using this with whatever look I create today. Now that you have seen everything I purchased from the collection, we're gonna go ahead and get started applying. I am going to start with eyes, and I am going to, let's see, I've got my eyeshadow brushes here. I'm gonna start in with the color Canvas. Super light neutral shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Alright, next color I'm gonna go in with is let's go in with Caliente. So I think the look I'm gonna go for today is kind of like a sunset look. So I'm gonna use some neutrals and some bronzy shades, and then I'm gonna top off with that liquid glitter shadow. I think that's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and we're gonna do Caliente. This is like a nice orange terracotta color, and I'm gonna apply this to the crease. Alright, so I'm really happy with that color. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Spiced, and I am going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye and bring it up into the crease as well. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it. I definitely have to say, I don't think I give E.L.F. enough credit in general with makeup. It feels, sometimes it can feel like if something isn't expensive, then that translates to not being great in quality. And I think there are so many really fantastic makeup brands out there, cosmetic brands out there, that are definitely on the lower end price-wise, that are just as good, if not better, than items that are more expensive. And a lot of times the more expensive prices, you're paying for somebody's name to be on it more than the actual product. So I think the older I've gotten, the more I've realized that, and the more I like to purchase drugstore type of makeup. I still really love, you know, high-end makeup, and I love trying it out, but from like a budget standpoint, I can buy more great things if I'm buying drugstore than if I were to be like sticking solely to high-end makeup. So that's why in a lot of my videos I'm using drugstore makeup, because I know a lot more people can afford it, and if I create a look that you really like, I want you to be able to feel comfortable recreating that look without having to spend hundreds of dollars on cosmetics. So that's just kind of how I feel. Like I said, I still, you know, will do high-end stuff here and there, but it's definitely not my priority. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Sandy Bum. That's super cute. Just using the same brush I've used so far. I'm gonna apply this also to the outer corner and into crease, just to deepen up what I have so far. And I think I might buff this a little bit onto my lid as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Coconut, definitely a very deep brown, and again into the outer corner and into the crease. I really just want to deepen up. This one has a bit of fallout, and it is falling out onto my face. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with. So far, so good. next up I am going to go in, we're going to start building in our like sunset gold shimmer colors. So I think I'm going to go in with the color Fortuna. This one I actually am going to go straight in with my finger, and I'm going to apply that to the outer third of my eye. I'm going to come back in with coconut again and just deepen up this a little bit more. I'm gonna come in with a clean brush. Actually, I'm gonna come in with the color, with the brush I used for canvas, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly blend. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with the Paraíso. I'm gonna go in again with my finger, and this is gonna go on the inner third of my eye, or the inner, I guess, half. It's gonna meet up with that Fortuna color. Next up, we are going to check out the Flirty Birdie liquid eyeshadow, and I am going to apply this to the inner third, kind of where I put the Paraíso color. I don't normally do a glitter, but that's really pretty. I'm gonna go through Fortuna and kind of blend in where this one stops, just so they kind of blend together a little bit. That's pretty. It's almost giving me like a cut crease look without having to do the cut crease. I have given it a minute to dry so that the glitter eyeshadow is not wet on my lid. This is stunning. Like, seriously, it turned out so pretty. I'm gonna finish off the eye going in with a little bit of Sandy Bum. I'm gonna tap this along the lower lash line. And I think just to deepen it a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Spiced and Coconut. Alright, and then I'm just going to brush away any fallout. I got glitter all over me. When I was testing out the swatches, I got glitter all over my hands, which then when I touched my face, I got glitter all over my face. So if you can see it, that's why. Alright, I really am digging this eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner, KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown. I'm going to apply this. I'm not going to do like a crazy wing. I'm just going to kind of do a more natural liner. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'll be using Essence Lash Princess mascara. Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free. Okay, mascara is applied, the eyes are done. So next up we're gonna switch over to highlighter. And I really do love the way this smells, it's so nice. It is, when I swatched it, it is a powder, but it feels creamy. Like when putting it on, it feels like it wants to be not a powder, like it wants to be a cream, but it is a powder. All right, we're gonna apply this to my cheeks. It was super humid and super rainy today, so my hair's kind of doing its own thing. But it kind of adds to the summer glow, summer effect. All right, next up and kind of last up, we're gonna do lips. So I am going to start with the lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with the neutral color that came in that kit. So I'm gonna go in with this one here, trying to see if it had a name. I don't think it does. It just says lip liner, and they all say lip liner, so it's just the neutral shade in that collection. a really nice neutral. It almost completely matches my natural lip color. And they go on really smoothly. So no complaints there. And then I think what I'll do just to add a little more color, rather than going with the gloss that came with the kit, I'm gonna go in with the strawberry, let's see, Strawberry Delight. That's what happens when you don't wear your glasses. Strawberry Daiquiri. Ah, that's so pretty. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. It is so nice on the lips. It's not sticky. It's just like smooth and creamy. That is really nice. So this is the completed look using the E.L.F. Retro Paradise collection. I love this shadow. It blended out beautifully. The liquid glitter shadow is stunning. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm not a huge glitter wearer, but this made it really easy to apply, and it's not really like transferring onto my hands or my fingers if I touch it. So I'm confident that it'll stay in place through the day. I really like the highlighter. It's subtle. If you like a like bam kind of highlighter, this one in particular might not be for you. They had another shade that looked a lot brighter, but I chose the more neutral color. I really like the lip gloss. Oh, it is so pretty. The lip gloss and the lip liner. I have such a hard time finding a nude that works for me. This was almost my exact lip color, so I really like this combination with the gloss. I think it looks so pretty. I look like I'm ready for a night out in the middle of summer, even though I'm not going out right now. I really like the way this turned out. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more beauty and makeup videos, go ahead and subscribe. I post fresh new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I will see you guys next time. Bye!